Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Is it the mouse or the system? First, check battery or power. Replace or recharge if 20% or lower. Low power causes erratic jumps. Next, disconnect and wait 10 to 15 seconds before reconnecting wired or Bluetooth to clear transient states. Once done, plug the mouse into a different USB port or another computer. This quickly tells you whether software or hardware is to blame, and you can move to precise fixes. You now fix software causes by updating or rolling back drivers in Device Manager. A bad driver produces jitter. Then make targeted setting changes. Reduce pointer speed, turn off enhanced pointer precision, and set polling rate to 125/500 Hz if adjustable, because aggressive rates amplify noise. Also disable other input devices, touchpad, graphics tablet, to remove conflicts. Once done, reboot to apply changes and retest movement, ensuring each change's effect is observed before proceeding. You finish by addressing hardware faults. Power off and clean the sensor area with compressed air and a 70% isopropyl swab because dust causes tracking errors. If comfortable, open the shell to receipt cables, inspect solder joints, and replace worn micro switches. Mechanical wear and loose joints often cause uncontrollable clicks or drift. If problems persist, replace the mouse or use warranty service. Tip: if erratic behavior appears only on one surface, try a mouse pad or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.